Hi friends, and welcome back to another lesson. And today we are going to look at the different sounds that you and I, when they come together, what they say. So let's head on over to the board. Joanna is here to help us read some words. Joanna, can you tell us what this word is?
Juice. Soup.
What about this one?
Booze.
Alright, so can you tell us what you and I is saying in these words?
Ooh.
Excellent. So you and I, when they come together, can say ooh. Let's look at some other words. We have quit and quite. Excellent. So we learned before that when Q and U come together, they say
Qua.
quo. Very good. So that would trump that ooh sound. Q and U says quo, so we have quit and quite. Now, if we look at these two, the U is silent in guide and guilty. I saying its name here because of that silent E. That E is jumping over the consonant and causing the I to say its name. We also have the I here saying its short sound, G-L-T. L-T, because this is a closed syllable pattern. The I is closed off. Alright, so let's examine this word, fluid. Fluid. The UI neither says who. The U here is not silent, but this word is fluid. We also have druid. Alright, so these two words belong to the same word family. So as we examine these few words, we see that when you and I come together, they have a number of sounds. I am Auntie Chantal.
And I'm Joanna.
Follow for more reading skills and reading tips.
Did you learn?